The PLC Ultima team has updated the converter's functionality. Converting PLCUX to PLCU is now even faster and easier. All exchange transactions used to get to Ultima farm balance, but now the converted coins get to a special exchange balance, and they can be withdrawn in just a few clicks. In this video, we'll show you how you can use the converter. The converter is in your personal account at PLCUX.com. The current exchange rate of PLCUX, PLCU pair, as well as PLCU balance are available on the exchange page. Select PLCUX, PLCU pair in the drop-down menu to make the exchange. After you've selected a pair, the exchange address will be generated for you to send PLCUX coins to it. After you've sent PLCUX to the specified address, the equivalent amount of PLC Ultima will be sent to your exchange balance. As you can see, the exchange procedure is very simple, and the exchange itself is very fast. Now let's take a look at the payout process. To withdraw coins from your exchange balance anytime, click the Payout button. Upon clicking the Payout button, a window will open to enter the wallet address where the coins should be withdrawn. Insert the wallet address and click Transfer at the bottom right corner of the screen. Each transfer requires a 2FA confirmation of your account. Therefore, specify a one-time Google Authenticator password to confirm your payout. After that, your transfer request will be created. The coins will be credited to the specified wallet at the earliest possible time. You can also view your entire transaction history anytime, as it's stored in the History tab. To access it, click the History button at the top of the page. Next, a page will open with all the information about the exchange transaction, its signature date, the amount converted and received in accordance with the current exchange rate, and its status. We are confident that the converter will be a practical and favorable tool at your disposal.